Hey guys, Mel here, and today I got this Mondo Llama 12-in-1 Holiday Crafts Kit, 12 Days of Crafting, so similar to an advent calendar, I think. I was on clearance for $5 instead of $10, so I thought we could check this out. Okay, so here is the crafting set. On the sides, you do get the crafts that you can make, but let's get opening to this. So, day one, you get accessories to make a little Christmas tree. And day two is a snowflake, craft stick snowflake. Day three. Now we are on to day four, which is photo frame ornaments. Day five, we have pom-pom snowman. Day six, we have this little tree. It's just, you stick the colors on it, and then, so, yeah. Day seven, we have, we're using toilet paper, we're getting toilet paper out, and so we have a craft tube Santa. Day 8 is a little elf craft. You make, like, it's got like a little trailer thing, and you make with elves on it. Day 9, we have reindeer ornament. Day 10 is scratch art ornaments. Scratch art is always fun. I loved doing these when I was younger. 11, we have another reindeer thing, I think. Or no, an elf. Sorry, it's an elf. And then 12, the last day, is a little snow globe thing, craft. So, with all that, that we have everything, let us make a couple of these, just at random. I'm not going to make all of them on camera, but you can try them out. So this one, we'll do day 12 first. And so you get these little, you get some thread, some embroidery floss, thread, to some sticky foam stickers, some jewels, and then the snow globe itself. So basically, step one is putting the twine through the hole at the top of the ornament, and then decorating the ornament with the snowflakes, gem stickers, and so basically, yeah. It's pretty simple and straightforward. And this set is for ages 6 and up. Alright, so my big Christmas gift this year was an Arkin Mounts clamp stand for DSLR camera, tablets, or phones, because I don't have a lot of space. and I wanted to be able to make better videos with the overhead shots, as you can see, and trying to use my tripods and stuff doesn't always work because then like other things get in the way. So I have this clamp stand now. It clamps onto like a desk or a table or something, and so it is very nice. I'm glad to have it. Everything to help me with my filming and photography and stuff, like, definitely is helpful. So here I am putting some jewels on this snow globe and finishing it up, and it's a very quick craft. I like that these are all nice and quick. So here is my ornament. It's very cute, very quick. So we will also do this stick by number, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, sticker by number. I was very close on that name. So basically, again, you stick the floss through the hole. And then, almost like a paint by number or a color by number, basically we get to stick these in the order that they are. There is a nice variety of simple holiday crafts in this set, and I think that with all of them they give you the supplies that you need, so you don't really need anything like scissors or glue or anything like that, which is definitely a plus, because some sets require extra items that you will hopefully have around the house but do not come in the set. So that is again a plus on this one, that you can just like give these out as a gift as well, like they would make cute little stocking stuffers. There is this cute little simple ornament. It is great that these are very nice and quick projects that kids can do, or anyone, because again, it's for 6 and up, so, you know, teens and adults who like to have simple fun and relive their childhood, you know, can have fun with this too. We will do, I think, the craft stick ornament. And this one, they give you little sticky dots so that you don't actually have to use glue or anything. So that's like a very good thing to do, because it makes it less messy. So peel and place double-sided adhesive dots to adhere craft sticks in a snowflake shape. Can't wait to make the rest of these. I know again that they are geared for kids, however you can be crafty and, you know, make these kinds of projects at any age, so don't let the fact that it's, you know, 4 or 6 and up, you know, let it get to you, because just like with doll collecting or collecting toys, like other toys and stuff, you know, it's can be for all ages. It doesn't just have to be for a kid. There are lots of people who collect dolls or collect stuffed animals like Squishmallows, and, you know, people play video games at any age, people collect Legos at any age, so like these kinds of crafts are also great for that kind of thing. And also, I never know what to like say in these whenever I do like the commentary sort of thing, whatever it's called, when I'm doing these videos, but that's okay. You know, it's all a learning experience and I don't really have anything scripted out, so let me know in the comments what kinds of holiday crafts you like to see. And here is the snowflake. Okay, so here are the 3 ornaments I just made, and so this is a really cute craft set. Definitely worth the $5 that I got it for. I think some of these, I think this would be great for any ages. It would be great for also like if you were doing a little fun little holiday party with your family or friends or something, you could get these and then put them together. So I think it's really nice. I do think that with certain ones, if you're old enough, like if you're a teen or an adult and you're old enough and want to use some like hot glue or something, that might be a little bit better for the craft, like that involves like the craft sticks, so like the snowflake and the tree that involves craft sticks. I think like that would help secure a bit more than the dots. However, I don't think it's a huge thing, but otherwise it's cute. It's nice for like having fun, and yeah. Okay, so I hope you liked this video. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't done so already, be sure to like and subscribe and comment, and also turn on the notification bell if you haven't done so already, so that you can see other videos that I make. And I hope everyone who celebrated has had a nice Christmas or Hanukkah or winter solstice, and also to those who are celebrating, happy Kwanzaa, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!